ONDS stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Ondas Holdings a buy? I'm going to be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video so we can end the week quite strong. You know, yeah, also having done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's working for me and what's not. It all comes down to me just milking this thing up way before, when it was like 156 or something. It was like 154 at the time. I was aiming for like 190. Not only did I get that, it came down. And then we went from like 150 to like 440 in a span of how much? Like literally 2 months plus, 2.5 months. I like this a lot, you know, when I called it out here as well. Here's a proof. The links you see on the chart is just previous proof. That's it, you know what I mean? Like, that's what happened there. And I was waiting for a double break. Honestly, it just never kind of gave me the double break that I wanted, so I never took no trades here. So this is 0 R, right? But seems like my directional bias is fine, and I'm not gonna freaking forcing nothing. I'm not gonna force nothing, but I'll definitely keep you updated. If it comes down, retraces, and gives me a double break, then yeah, I'll move with that. But because since it's Friday, I'll keep chill. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, free emails, and all that good stuff, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.